Hey guys, so today we're going to be using VS Code. We're going to be coding, we're using Python. We're going to print on the console screen using VS Code. So we're going to open Microsoft, we're going to open Firefox browser. We're going to type Google. We're going to type Python. Python will go to the official Python website where we go to downloads, new release. We're going to download Python 3.13.7. Then we're going to look for the one for our Windows. They have the one for Linux, they have the one for Windows, they have the one for Mac. So we're going to download this 64-bit for our system. Right now it's downloading. So that is the part. So we've successfully downloaded it, and I've already installed it in my system. So we have the upgrade version of it, but we don't want to do that right now. We are going to go on to VS Code. We're going to also now search for VS Code. We're going to search VS Code. So yes, we have opened VS Code. We'll go to the VS Code website, and so we've opened the VS Code website. Just go ahead and download for Windows, and when you download for Windows, it's very easy process from there. You just install the VS Code on your system via the setup, and remember, your system may be using 64-bit or 32-bit. You choose the one for your system. Then right now we already have VS Code, so we'll go straight to the coding aspect. If you have any question, don't be scared to check the comment section. So we're going to our VS Code now. In VS Code now, we want to print hello world on our console application. So we type print. We're going to call the print inbuilt function. It's inbuilt for Python, so you don't need to import any module. As time goes on, we'll talk about modules. So we have print, and then double quotations. You can use double quotations, you can use single quotations. We have double quotation, hello world. We'll save this as our first.py, as is over here. Then we will run it. When we run it, we have hello world printed on the console. So in the next video, we're going to be talking about variables. Variables are used like containers that we use to store information, to store data. Stay tuned.